Here, as Hindi learners, it is important for you to learn a lot of little conversation to get familiar with the language. It gives you immense familiarity with the language. Therefore, you can follow the several videos I'll be posting like this in YouTube and Instagram. Welcome to another episode of Learn Hindi the Easy Way with Jay. There are so many videos under this channel for you to learn Hindi, and you can follow Instagram to revisit what you have learned in a few seconds, and it can be very helpful for you as a quick revision at least once in a day for a few seconds. Instagram is wow_Hindi1. This video is more of a monologue that we are going to watch in this video, where a mother waits for her daughter and the daughter speaks nothing much to mom. It goes on like this. So the mother is waiting for the daughter. Where has this girl gone to? कहाँ रह गई वो लड़की? कहाँ, where, रह गई, has been to, वो लड़की, this girl. कहाँ रह गई वो लड़की? Oh, she's not even picking up the phone. फोन भी नहीं उठा रही है. फोन भी नहीं उठा रही है. And then the girl, that is her daughter, she's at the door. आ गई. Oh, you came. Here it is more like, oh, you're here, or you're come. आ गई. आ गई. आ गई. Where have you been? कहाँ रह गई थी? From the conversation you can understand that the mother is using tu and not tum, and that is quite common for mother-daughter. कहाँ रह गई थी? And the daughter says, to nowhere, mom. कहीं नहीं माँ. कहीं नहीं माँ. दोस्तों के साथ गई थी क्या? You're gone with friends, right? Did you go out with friends? दोस्तों के साथ, that's with friends. गई थी क्या? You went, huh? दोस्तों के साथ गई थी क्या? ये भी सही है. And this is good too. This is a phrase often used meaning, now this one too on top of all, which is an expression of sai and emphasizing on it. ये भी सही है. ये भी सही है. माँ के साथ समय बिताने के लिए तुझे बस रविवार ही मिलता है. And that you get is a Sunday to spend with mom. Bitana means to spend time. माँ के साथ बिताने के लिए, to spend time with mom. तुझे, for you, बस, just, रविवार ही मिलता है. That is, Sunday is all that you have. माँ के साथ बिताने के लिए तुझे बस रविवार ही मिलता है. Furthermore, I don't know where madam left so early. Madam पता नहीं सुबह सुबह कहाँ निकल गई. Here madam is just to add a sarcasm. उस पे भी madam पता नहीं सुबह सुबह कहाँ निकल गई. उस पे भी, furthermore, madam पता नहीं, no idea, सुबह सुबह, so early, कहाँ निकल गई, where left to. उस पे भी मैडम पता नहीं सुबह सुबह कहाँ निकल गई. उस पे भी मैडम पता नहीं सुबह सुबह कहाँ निकल गई? And you did not even realize that mom could be waiting hungrily for you. ये भी नहीं सोचा कि माँ भूखी इंतजार कर रही होगी. ये भी, even this, नहीं सोचा कि, did not think that mom hungrily, भूखी इंतजार कर रही होगी, could be waiting. ये भी नहीं सोचा कि माँ भूखी इंतजार कर रही होगी. These days kids, आजकल के बच्चे भी ना, आजकल के बच्चे भी ना, आ रही है कि नहीं बेटा? You're coming or not, son? Here it is interesting for you to note that the word beta, meaning son, is used for both son and daughter in an affectionate way in Hindi. आ रही है कि नहीं बेटा?